So there's one thing that feels like it should be a little bit more efficient. If we go back to our code, in this import section, what we're doing basically is including all of the files, all of the partials that are inside of the components directory. As we add new components, we're going to want to import those as well. And even though it wouldn't be a huge deal to add all of the imports here, it feels like it would be simpler if we could just include all of the components by specifying a directory. That way, as we add new components, the SASS gets added automatically. Now, right now, there's no way to do this in vanilla SASS. That is, SASS without any extensions added. But there is an extension called SASS Globbing that we can use in order to provide this feature. Now, you'll probably find yourself using a number of SASS extensions. There's one very common one called Compass, which we haven't come into yet, but which we'll explore as we continue our templating process. Now, I know it seems like we've gotten quite a ways away from our templating. We haven't actually touched any CSS for a while. We've just reorganized what we have already. And we still have a long way to go to convert our design over to our template. But while we're here, talking about infrastructure and figuring out a better way to organize our files, let's go ahead and continue while this is fresh in our mind and the rationale behind this added complexity hopefully is fresh and makes sense.